Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to make a laptop computer run faster. Now, one thing you're going to want to consider is the surface that you have your laptop sitting on. I have this sitting on a desktop, which is a solid, flat surface. And that allows the laptop to utilize the little rubber legs that it has on the bottom, which will raise it off of the surface a little bit. That lets air get inside of the laptop from the bottom, keeps it cool. Now, the reason for that is as your laptop heats up, the fans will kick on, and as it gets hotter and hotter and hotter, your processor will notice that, and it will actually do calculations slower in order to reduce the amount of electricity flowing through it, reduce the heat. So it's slowing your laptop down when it gets hot. Now, actually on the computer, there's a couple things you can do. First thing is turn off a bunch of the stuff that starts when your computer starts up. The way you do that is you click on the Start button, and you type in msconfig in this little search bar here. You press enter. That's msconfig as in Microsoft config. I click continue on that window that popped up. What we're interested in is the startup tab. As you can see, this is listing a whole bunch of programs, and every one of these wants to run when my computer starts up. If they're checked, they will run when the computer starts up, and if they're unchecked, they will not run. So I have the majority of these unchecked, and that's causing programs to not hog up my processor in the background, and my laptop runs faster. So, last tip is to defragment your hard drive. Click on your Start button and go to Computer. Now right-click on your C drive, go to Properties. I missed it. Right-click on your C drive, go to Properties. We're going to go to the Tools tab and then Defragment Now. Now what this is going to do is arrange your hard drive so that it opens files faster. Just click Defragment Now and it'll start defragmenting. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to make your laptop run faster.